Whatever is uniquely yours is always going to be yours. Your story about your father-in-law passing that connects with clients who decide they want to choose you for the probate, no one else can tell your story. Your tricks are always going to be your tricks. The best thing that you can do is give someone something they can run with that will work for them. No one's going to take what's yours. And here's the last one. What if they take my business? They're in my marketplace too. I love this one because I've been beta testing it for over a year now. And I'm going to keep it real with everyone in this room. I have at this point now trained over 60 agents in my marketplace, and some of them are now my competitors. How many have taken a listing from me? 0, not one, because we're the best. But in all reality, you want competition. I learned this from Jose Luis. He told me I go up against people all the time. It's great if they beat me. That means I'm training them well. You're not going to lose business by helping other people. It just doesn't work that way. Instead, what happens is you grow this thing called market share. How many people here already have like a Zillow team page or an established Zillow? Okay, good. If you live anywhere near South Jersey or Jeff Clinton, I would reach out to him right now and say, can I be on your page? If you're in Boston, I'd reach out to Ben. New Jersey, I'd reach out to Dan. What happens is when you invite all these people, it looks like y'all sell every dang house in that marketplace. And the people who maybe only have 3 or 4 sales, they can leverage your track record. So now you're helping people who are just getting started so that they actually have a chance. And maybe you don't want to sell 100 homes anymore. Maybe you want to sell 20. You don't have to look like you retired. You get to look like you're still doing something. So invite everyone in your local market to be on your Zillow page. Take market share.
That delivers luxury, elegance, and sophistication.
Inspired by tropical modernism, Revenge is as luscious and seductive as the landscape that surrounds it. From its gently curved facade to its interior passageways and garden pathways, traveling through Revenge is a journey of continuous discovery. Olin McKenzie of SOM Architects describes the effect as conceal and reveal.
The idea is simple but effective, to create a sense of anticipation by offering glimpses of things. One of the most dramatic examples is the approach to the building. As you wend along the stone entry drive, the tower slowly reveals itself.
So I have a really big vision, and I need all of your help. If you're not already an elite builder, you might want to talk to whoever invited you here today. I had the great pleasure of working on something called 1000 Museum. Anyone familiar with that building? Do you know what the prices started at? $5 million. So the gal who brought me in on that project is now representing one of the most expensive projects here locally. Starts at $15 million. And the vision I have is for the elite builders to be the go-to listing agency for all luxury new construction. For builders and developers, when they need something sold, to call the professionals. I cannot do this on my own. One person cannot sell 500 units. I need a team. You cannot sell a whole community when whatever marketplace you're in without your team. Do you see why you can do more with others? This is something that I know it's not going to happen overnight. It's going to probably take me 3-5 years, but this is going to be our future. And it's a place where everyone can grow in every marketplace.